What's up, everybody? We're at Walmart. Another toy hunt. We went through the clearance, and I just saw something might interest some of you. I don't know if you're into it or not. Only $5. And they've got no Harry Potter or any of the other ones. And they got those vintage collections for $2.50. Generous though. I already have her from the Black Series, Walmart exclusive. They got two of these, that's it. So we're going to head over to the regular aisle, see what they got there. If I can. A whole bunch of employees like staring at me like, what is he doing? You got an unusual amount of security here for Tuesday night. 7 p.m. I don't know why. Oh, here's, I guess these are wave 2. I've never seen these before. Or maybe I have. I thought these are the same thing. There's Jenny, Ron, Hermione. I don't know what the difference is. I guess just packaging color. The other one. These look like the same thing. Isn't that the same thing? Maybe that's, they just continued it, got different UPCs. Maybe they were Walmart exclusives or something, and now they're regular. Hermione. Looks a lot like her, actually. Surprisingly. There's Ron. They gotta probably tell me to turn this thing off. I think it's a security thing, because kids, I have no idea. Nerf Legos. They restocked an Overwatch. These are the 2-packs. These are the same ones, though, old ones. And they got the old figures, wave 1 down there. I don't know what this is. Pika Pika. Alright. These are Marvel Legends. They had this wave last time I was there. I think in like July. I haven't been here since like July. First week of July. Oh, here's that binary one. The new one. Might have to get that one. I ain't got that one yet. 1987. Yes, they got Blink, Skull Crusher, Songbird, all of these. I've been seeing him shell forming, I guess. Everywhere I go, they got this one, but none of the other ones. Rock one. Yeah, my other Walmart had like 2 dozen of these easily. So tell me in the comments, I guess, if you've found this one yet. And nothing good except for that. So you got DC over here. You got Batman. Not bad. Katana. They got Bane. There's 80 years of Batman, 80 years of Marvel. Killer Croc. And you need to make him 6. I like Batman and Bane. The only other one they got is this girl. Katana. Looks alright. This is the only one I really like. Oh wait, here's some more. Another Bane. Another Katana. Some more Batman. This turned out to be a Batman video. The Lava Dude. Here's Transformers. It's a new Batman thing. Battle power. I need to gear up. Is that what he said? Shockwave. It's not bad for 1192, I guess. Starscream. This is what I was talking about the other video. These guys are only 1192. Starscream. Here's Bumblebee. These are basically the same as deluxe class. They just don't come with any accessories. Oh, they got the Fractor. I do need a third one to make the camera. I haven't seen him since I first saw him in early June, late May. I got all wave 3s here. Red alert. Red alert. Front. And I got Chromia, 4 Chromias up there. Got Hound, Prowl, Starscream, Soundwave, Megatron. Yep, that's it. Megatron. Looks like it's been open. Yeah, this one's been open. Missing something. Oh, this one already. Playing Spider-Man's. She's a maybe. Okay, so they move things around a lot since I've been here last time. Here's Star Wars. Way up here. There's those anniversary packs. Here we go, Thor. Now that looks like Thor. It's the way Thor should look right there. And I got the classic one. Only one I got. I like this Thor. I don't know. These are in abundance normally. Whenever they do these kind of things. And I wait till it's on clearance. A Biker Scout and Yoda. Yeah, some kind of lightsaber pop things. Force something. R2D2, Luke, Vader, Chewbacca, Luke, Chewbacca, Luke. I don't think they have any of the Cantina playsets. But I'll look. These look like they're all. Yeah, these all say Force Link 2.0 on them. Exact same figures as last time. Bunch of Landos. Rey. Han. These are still $14.92. And got this thing. I thought this was an exclusive somewhere. Like GameStop or something. Yeah, this one. Ghost. I've seen this once before. And this is the first one I ever found. But the guy's eyes were really messed up bad. Really blurry. It's not worth $49. It's all messed up in the face. Kind of like Hella. But I don't know. They got a lot of them right now. I've never seen them with that many in one place. There's Godzilla, Jurassic World. Ninja Turtles. These are like $5 at the other store. Since it's the only place I'm going in this hunt, let's look at all of it. WWE. Let's see, I do want the Alexa. For some reason, they all had that messed up. It's like her left eye's painted really well. Her right eye doesn't have all that much paint on it. Now, Alexa, that's about as good as I've ever seen it. Both of her eyes are centered. That's the best Alexa I've seen. She put that thing in her hair, but that'll probably come out. Sasha's right eye just isn't painted well. Didn't have any makeup on it, right? Really? Oh, I just saw Brie at the other one. Jeff Hardy. If I were to get any of these, be Jeff Hardy, probably. We have two different Jeff Hardys here. Come here. Series 97, SummerSlam. And where's that other Hardy? Find it. Top picks. Now this one's the more classic Jeff. Got the face paint. He's got some mark on his forehead. I don't know about all that. Finn Balor, AJ Styles, Drew Gulak, Elias, Tony Nese, Elias, Brie Bella, AJ Styles. Some more. Couple more styles. I do like kind of the SummerSlam one. He's in purple. Purple AJ Styles. Of course, I never buy basics. Let's get the elites. Here's another. This one's red, white, and blue. And then here's another top picks. It's all blue. Like the Elite 56. So, I don't know. Maybe Brie. Not sure. I saw her somewhere just a minute ago. Oh yeah, the other Walmart. So maybe for Brie. Maybe Alexa. Who knows? Maybe eventually. Believe it or not. Okay, so Power Rangers. I never. This the right? I think they're 984. Yeah. This guy's a Series 2 figure, I believe. It just came out. They had the whole wave last time at the other store. This is actually what I'm looking for. Yellow Ranger. Because she was only in the first wave for like half of the first wave. And it might be a long time before they make one in the Lightning collection. But she's like super rare. So maybe. I remember that this was the one that had them last time. And there's one in almost mint. You guys ever seen these before? I don't think I've seen these. At least not. Maybe not. Different one up here. Oh, Team Cuddle Leader. Tomato Man. There's Team Cuddle Leader. She's got like a scar. Got some decent articulation. Not in the knees. Not articulated enough. I haven't seen these. Are these new? Now wait. Build a Death Star. I've heard of these. I don't remember when these came out though. 100th day of this year. July Starfighter. Here we go. Darth Vader's Starfighter. It's your $7.97. Slave 1. I think that one's gonna be hard to find. There's 9 of them. Here we go. 9. Slave 1. Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. Jedi Starfighter. 6, 7, 8, and 9 coming in fall. So they are new. Huh. I don't remember ever seeing these. But I'm not into those. Kind of cool. If any of them, I'd want to get this one. Darth Vader. And here we go, as promised, the haul. What did I pick up on this adventure? Not much, but a couple of things. I did get the Yellow Ranger. This is the first one I've got in this particular line, the basic line. I only have Lightning Collection, but since I already have all the Lightning Collection, and the only one that they haven't made in the, Beast Morphers line for Lightning Collection, she doesn't have a specific release date, so she'll just be my fill-in for now, since she's only $10. And I did see her little bunny rabbit thing, or what do you call it, her Beast Bot or whatever, and I saw him at the other Walmart that I didn't show in the video. They only had one of him, so evidently he's a hot seller, because they had like at least 3 cases of them. And here's the other pickup, Marvel's Rescue. And I'm pretty sure the only time I ever saw this before today was at GameStop. Just that once. It's the first time I ever seen it at a Walmart. And will I collect this wave? I don't know. I definitely want this one, the War Machine. Yeah, I don't really care about Loki or Union Jack. So if you guys like those characters, I do like the characters. I just don't particularly need the figures. But I was actually thinking about it just a minute ago. It's been 3 years. It doesn't seem like it, but 3 years. In 2016, I had these things shipped to my house in full cases, literally every single assortment. And of course, that's back when I was selling them at retail when I had my shop. But it sure doesn't seem like it's been that long, but it has. Alright, so that's the haul, and I'll let you know when I get something else or when I go on another hunt. Definitely looking for the newer, looking for the Black Ranger for the Walgreens exclusive. And what else am I looking for? I don't know. Triple Force Friday is still over a month away. So, yeah, if I see the War Machine, I'm definitely going to get that one. I don't really care particularly for this Professor Hulk. Simply because of his head. I mean, the Hulk figure itself looks great. I did see the Wolverine Hulk 2-pack at GameStop while I was out today, too. But, I might still get this guy, that guy. Probably the full wave, except for Loki and Union Jack. Unless I see them for like a deal or something for the whole wave or something, then I might get it like that. Just so I can build the Hulk figure. Alright, so see you guys on the next one.